Want to email photos straight from your iPhone? Here's the quickest way to attach multiple pictures, whether it's 1 or 20. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Open the Mail app and tap the Compose icon, pencil and paper at the bottom right. Fill in the recipient and subject line, then tap the photo icon next to the text options. This lets you browse your photo library. Tap to select as many photos as you want, even dozens. Once selected, swipe down to return to the email. All your images will now appear in the body of the message. Tap send in the top right. If your total file size is large, you'll be prompted to choose between small, medium, large or actual size. For really large batches, iPhone might create an iCloud link instead, making it easy for the recipient to download everything. That's it. Now you can send photo-packed emails right from your iPhone. Fast and easy. Tap that subscribe button for more smart tech tutorials.